Hello, hello students. My name is Sumit Mehta. So today we will study quadratic equation, which is a very most important chapter. Okay. So let me write a standard equation for which is a quadratic equation. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. Okay. So any polynomial of degree of 2, higher degree of 2 is told as quadratic equation. So here you can see that the degree of x is 2. So any polynomial with higher degree of 2 is called as quadratic equation, and where a, b and c are all are constants. Okay. So let me give you one example on this to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So students, please see here, like this is 2x square, 2x plus 1 plus whole square plus 3 equal to 3x plus 9. So first we try to solve this. This comes out to be, as you all know, the formula for a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so if you put the formula here, so 2x whole square plus 1 square plus 2 times 2x into 1 plus 3 equal to 3x plus 9. Okay, so we will get 4x square plus 1 plus 4x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 9. So let's take all the terms on LHS. This comes out to be 4x square plus 4x minus 3x will be 4x minus 3x plus 3 plus 1 minus 9. 3 plus 1 minus 9. Okay, so this comes out to be 4x square plus x plus minus 5 equals 0 equals 0. So this is the equation we are getting is 4x square plus x minus 5. I hope you are clear now, because here the degree of x is 2. So this must be a quadratic equation. Students, here is the example number 2. So whether we have to find out whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So let us check whether it is a quadratic. Okay, so let's check. So multiply this x with x plus 1, which comes out to be x square plus x plus 8, and you can also use the formula. If you know that a plus b into a minus b will always be equals to a square minus b square. You can write in your notebook in formula tab. Okay, this is formula we are using in the questions. So I can directly write it as h square minus 2 square. Okay, so let's take all the term on LHS. So this will be h square minus h square plus x plus 8 plus 4. Okay, this comes out to be 0 plus x plus 12 equals 0. So we are left with x plus 12. So what was the condition for quadratic equation is higher degree of x will be 2, but what we are getting here is the degree of x is 1. So we can directly write, so it is not a quadratic equation. I hope you all are clear with this. Let's solve 2 3 more examples. So student, here is another example on quadratic equation. It states that the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Okay, and the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. So I I hope you are clear with the question. Let's proceed with its solution. Let me draw the rectangle first. Okay, here is a rectangle with L is length and B is breadth. Okay, let's suppose length of rectangle is h meters. Let breadth of rectangle is y meters. So students, please note when you are writing these questions in exam, please do not forget to mention the units of the length and breadth which you are assuming. Okay, let so we are also given one equation that the length of plot is one more than its breadth, twice its breadth. Okay, so length will be twice breadth plus 1. So we can put the value which we assume here is h will be 2y plus 1, and as we are given as product of sides is 528, or area which is the product of the side which is L into B is 528 meter square. So we can put the value of L into B is h into y. In our case, this is 528 meter square. So we can put the value of h in terms of y. This is 2y plus 1 into y equal to 528 meter square. Okay. So here it comes out to be 2y square plus y minus 528 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay, and we will check how to find out the roots of quadratic equation in our next videos. So be tuned for our next video where I will tell you how to find the value of y. So once you will get the value of y, you can also check the value of x. Okay, so students, here is one more example on quadratic equation where we are given as Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him, and the product of their ages, this is product, the product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. So let assume that Rohan age is 4 years at present, and so her mother age will be 26 plus 4 will be 30 years. So let's suppose Rohan's present age, it's years. Students, don't forget to write the unit which you are assuming in the exam. Okay, so Rohan's mother age will be x plus 26 years, and what we are given also is the product of their ages after 3 years. So after 3 years Rohan age will be x plus 3 years. Okay, and after 3 years Rohan's mother age will be x plus 26 plus 3. Okay, years, and we are given as product of Rohan's age into his mother age is 360. So we can take the values of Rohan's age from 3 years, and Rohan's mother age after 3 years will be x plus 29. This comes out to be 360. If we solve the equation, which comes out to be x square plus 3x plus 29x plus 87 equal to 360. So if you solve the equation, it's here plus 32x minus, this comes out to be 360 minus 87. If you solve it, you will get x square plus 32x minus 273. So we will find the roots of this equation in our next videos. So you will get the value of x, which is Rohan's present age, which we have to find. So be tuned for our next video to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, thank you students.